iOS 18.1 not showing on your iPhone 11. I am using the iPhone 11. So how I shown that? To show that, you need to go your Safari browser or any browser and press on Apple developed it. Uh, Develop or Apple this website. Just type Apple developed, then you can see develop.apple.com. So then top corner you can see the accounts you have to log into with your Apple ID. So just log in with your current Apple ID here. So give your password as well, press on allow. So once done, press the trust. Once done, then you can see the Apple developer Apple agreement. You can just enroll, then you can see this kind of interface. Just you have to press on yes and need to submit it. And once you complete this process, then within 1 or 2 minutes you can see the iOS beta version available here. And you also able to see your current Apple ID. Let's log in, then press on iOS 18 beta version. Once you press on iOS beta version, then if you go back, then you can see iOS 18.1 available here. So this is how you can easily enable iOS 18.1 on your iPhone 11. So don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. If you feel any problem, face any problem, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.